What if one musical instrument could quiet the noise inside your mind? Among all Indian classical instruments, the tanpur is unique. It doesn't play melodies. Instead, it creates an endless drone, a continuous field of sound. In Indian philosophy, sound belongs to Akasha, the space element. Space is the medium through which sound travels in the symbolic field in which thoughts arise. The tanpura's gentle drone acts like an anchor for the mind. Rather than chasing hundreds of thoughts, the brain begins to settle on one stable sound. Modern neuroscience suggests that slow, predictable sounds can encourage relaxation, improve attention, and reduce stress in many people. This doesn't mean the tanpur cures anxiety or depression. These conditions are complex and often require professional care. However, many people find that listening to a tanpur while breathing slowly helps calm mental chatter and supports meditation. Try this simple practice. Sit comfortably. Play a tanpur drone. Close your eyes. Breathe slowly through your nose. Let every thought come and go while your attention rests on the sound. After 15 to 20 minutes, notice how your mind feels. Perhaps the greatest lesson of the tanpur is this. Peace is not created by forcing the mind to stop thinking. Peace appears when awareness finds a stable foundation. The tanpur reminds us that beneath every thought, there is silence, and beneath every silence, there is sound. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Hydrogen Awakening for more explorations connecting science, spirituality, music, and consciousness.